me, sir?
Yes, Your Grace.
Is that my flamethrower beside you?
Why, it is.
Please, sir, pass it this way.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, we bout to rob a Wells Fargo. Cause some bros, we need to get a whole carload. Oh my god, we pull up again like a car show. Smoke a blunt and then she get up on my nose.
What's up, vlog? Michael here. I had to get some water. Here's my water. Okay. What? Finally about to check into our Airbnb moment of truth.
Over here we have the Spanish TV, microwave, and the stove. If you want to use it, 1 is hot, 6 is cold.
Wow.
When we
I gotta run away from them. Alright, so we came around the corner and we saw this amazing view. Yumi is being herself, going towards the of course, as she does. And what's the name of the town?
Playa de Blanca.
And now we're walking to the next town over, which is called Playa de Blanca. So, are we going over there or over there?
Well, I say we kind of go along that way. If that looks safer.
Yumi!
Really. Here you can see a strange animal in his natural habitat, logging.
Ladies and gents, we made it down the hill to the cool spot that we saw earlier, and it is bright as The only issue now is that I gotta go back up that. Alright, it's just alright, so update. We are almost at the town. Larissa's also going crazy, she's singing now. Yumi, I think we lost Yumi. We've been walking in this desert for, how long would you say we've been walking for? 2 hours. We left the town 2 hours ago, and that's how close we are. No, I'm not gonna carry you. No! Your feet. Okay, oh, can we go down that way? On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you we made it to a town? Larissa, it didn't faze Larissa at all. She does this all the time. But what's the name of this town? I forgot the name, but it's pretty. All right, Yumi, Larissa, guys. After a long day of walking, how happy are you that you get to eat in this beautiful town?